Welcome to Duke's Court. We developed this public realm design and we cooperate with the ANS to design this beautiful green wall. I'm Roberto Marchetti, landscape architect at Lizard Landscape Design. The project has been very challenging and the idea was to bring this commercial building to a new life.
The 7-storey wall that you can see exceeded expectations actually. It's visible from large parts of the town. It really puts the building on the map. It makes it feel different. I'm Ian Tomes. I'm the Strategic Asset Manager at Woking Borough Council. We determined as a council that we were going to improve what was quite a dull plaza to improve the green credentials of the building, and hence I led on the green wall.
Since 1986, this building has been a symbol for the economic growth of the city. So it was important to maintain this symbol and regenerate it throughout a landscape design. The philosophical idea behind this project was related with climate change, ecology and biodiversity within our cities.
Our new administration has adopted climate change as one of its key 3 priorities. We intend to proceed with establishing what the carbon footprint is of all of our buildings. We want to try and drive those to net zero by 2030. And this initiative, along with many others, are all part of delivering against that strategy.
We are landscape architects and ecologists, so our goal is to bring forward the biodiversity in every project. So implementing this typology of substrate will be beneficial for the overall drainage strategy. And organic substrates are totally natural. So this helps the biodiversity, helps the air control and pollution control.
We had a tenants meeting with about 30 individuals, unanimously loved what we've done here. And I think when we decided that we were going to put this, I don't think we ever thought it would be as good as the end result. So yeah, really happy with it. The experience working with ANS was very positive. They invited us down to their place at Chichester to see the plants growing and see the pallets. We had some quite detailed conversations around how the green wall would look from a distance and how we would get colour in the green wall throughout the year, and the sort of choice of plants and the banding that we might achieve to get that.
Working with ANS was a very good experience. They are very professional. They always been very helpful into design process at every stage. We are very proud of the finished result of this project. We wanted to offer a distinct space of commercial frontage in tandem with the public realm throughout the implementation of a green wall and sitting areas within bioretention planted areas. This is pretty amazing and this is what we want for our cities. So we are very happy for this project and hopefully we'll have more like this.